Hello everyone. Today we will look at linking words, connecting ideas and sentences. We have already learned how to write good sentences. We write short and simple sentences. We use the correct tense and we use the correct sentence structure. We start a sentence with the subject. Subject means the person who is doing the action. This is followed by the action the person is doing and finally what the subject is doing. We have followed these three rules to write good sentences. Today we will look at something else. Take a look at these two examples. Read them and try to understand what do you think is different between example A and example B. You can do it for the next 2 minutes. You can pause the video as you are reading it. So what is the difference you found between example A and example B? Example B, A, has got short and simple sentences. Example B is also a simple sentence, but the sentences have been joined using some words. So what are these words? You can see and, but, ever since, because of, then, finally, meanwhile. So these are some of the words which have been used to join the sentences in example A to give us some better sentences in example B. This brings us to our objective today. We will be able to construct sentences by connecting ideas and sentences using linking words. What is an idea? An idea is what is the sentence talking about? We have seen ideas and linking words in the text we just read. The example A had many ideas in its sentences. The example B had linking words which was connecting these ideas to make better sentences. So, using linking words and phrases makes our sentence structure better. A phrase is a collection of words. The linking words we will look at today, these are all words which are used to add information. So these are the 10 linking words we will be looking at today. Some of them you are already using extensively. While you are listening to this video, you will note down how we are doing it. We will follow these steps. Read the sentences and understand the ideas you are connecting. You will look at the connecting words you have learned today and how to use them and the examples. We will then use them in your sentences. At the end of the class, you will try to use at least 5 linking words you have learned today and not just and, also or to, which you are already using. Remember to take notes. You have already learned how to take notes. You will try to understand what is important in what you are reading and you will write it down. You don't always write to have full sentences. You can write short sentences which will help you understand what you are reading. You can also draw pictures and diagrams and arrows to help with your understanding. Let us practice taking notes. Let us start by reading this text. When I am reading, note where I am pausing. Note the commas and full stops. Also, try to visualize and make connections with what you already know when I am reading the text. We ate bread, butter and jam for breakfast. We also ate bananas. My brother not only ate the bread and bananas, but also 2 eggs. In addition, we all had a glass of milk for breakfast. My brother had all the food as well as the milk. My brother drank the milk too. Apart from my brother, everyone else got hungry very soon. We ate a lot of food for breakfast because we were all hungry. Moreover, my brother can eat more than all of us. Can you identify the linking words here? Now, let us take a look at the linking words that we have used. Get ready to take your notes. And. Ideas are often linked by commas and. You have already used and in so many sentences. Remember that in a list we put commas between each item but not before and. Let us look at as an example. We ate bread, butter and jam for breakfast. Bread, butter, jam, these are all in a list of things I ate for breakfast. I put commas between bread and butter and the last item is jam, so I just put an and to connect them. There is no comma before an and. Also is used to add an extra idea. We also ate bananas. We can use also with not only to give more importance. Example, my brother not only ate the bread and bananas but also 2 eggs. You don't usually start a sentence with also. If you want to start a sentence with also, you can use in addition or in addition to this. Example, in addition, we all had a glass of milk for breakfast. So, the 4 linking words we learned here are and, also, how to use also with not only, and in addition. Please take your notes. You can write down the main linking words and the example to help you understand how to use them. You can pause the video while you are taking your notes. As well as, this can be used at the beginning or the middle of a sentence. My brother had all the food as well as the milk. To goes either at the end of a sentence or after the subject and means as well. Example, my brother drank the milk too. Here we are putting to at the end of the sentence. My brother too drank the milk. Here we are putting to in the middle of the sentence. After the subject. The subject is my brother. Apart from and besides are used to mean other than. Example, apart from my brother, everyone else got hungry very soon. So apart from my brother means other than my brother. Everyone else got hungry very soon. Similarly, besides my brother is the same as my brother did not get hungry, but everyone else got hungry. Moreover and furthermore add extra information to the point we are making. So, we ate a lot of food for breakfast because we were all hungry. Moreover, my brother can eat more than all of us. So, when I am adding moreover, it means I am adding extra information as why my brother ate so much food. My brother was hungry, but also he can eat more than all of us. That is why we are using moreover. Again, take your notes, write down the linking words that we have learning and write down the examples after that to help you understand what the linking words mean. You can add more information as you are understanding beside your notes. Now this is your homework for today. 1. You will complete the notes from the class. You will write down the linking words and an example as we have seen in the class today. After that, you will write one sentence of your own where you will use the linking word that you have learned today. That is your homework. You will complete your notes and you will write one sentence where you will be using the new linking words that you have learned today. See you in class tomorrow.